Dear students, today we are going to learn microprocessor 8085 features. This microprocessor is useful us to perform our practicals. This year, no need to make the connections as per the diagram, no need to observe the output on LED. We are going to perform the practicals using this microprocessor 8085. This is a microcomputer system in which this is the main processor, that is microprocessor. The features you have to learn any 8 features to get 4 marks, or any 6 features to get 3 marks. Question may be any one out of these two. 8 features, 4 marks. 6 features, 3 marks. Okay. Now, first feature is here. This microprocessor is introduced by Intel Corporation. This is introduced by Intel Corporation, the company name. Second feature is 8-bit MUPI. MUPI in short for microprocessor. 8-bit means it can process data of only 8-bit in wide. Third is it contains address bus of 16-bit. Address bus is required to carry the address information from microprocessor towards the other supporting ICs, or mainly memory ICs, where the memory locations are there, memory addresses are there. Any one address or location can be initialized by address bus. So the width is here 16-bit. Now fourth feature is, as per the address bus width, there is an address capacity of this microprocessor with the formula 2 raised to address lines. Address lines in address bus. So that comes 2 raised to 16 number of address lines are there, and that approximately comes equals to 64,000. So it is called as, this address capacity is here 64 kilobyte. These number of locations can be addressed or initialized or accessed by this microprocessor 8085. Now, after number 5, fifth is data bus. To carry the data information, there is a data bus of width only 8-bit, because its capacity is 8-bit. So this address bus width is also 8-bit. Number 6, it is available in 40-pin DIP. Full form is dual in-line package. Means dual DIP means, if this is the IC, last year we studied the IC pinout diagram for a 7432, 7408, something like that. So this IC 8085 is with 40 number of pins, and available in DIP means from one side, from pins 1 to 20 are here, and from other side 21 to 40 pins are there. So this package is named DIP, dual in line package, means on both sides number of pins are equal. Number 7. 7 is it contains 8 software interrupts and 5 hardware interrupts. Last year we studied in unit number 3 about interrupts. This MUPI can be interrupted with the software instructions, and these are 8 instructions, and by hardware mean there are 5 pins to interrupt this MUPI using hardware interrupts, 5 number of hardware interrupts. We are going to learn these hardware and software interrupts in detail in few next lectures. Next is 8. There are A for accumulator, ACC, then comma B, C, D, E, H and L as 8-bit registers. 8-bit registers. I'll write in short REGS for registers. While SP, full form is stack pointer, PC, program counter, and incrementer, decrementer, address latch, these 3 are 16-bit registers. Registers are required to process the information. These are nothing but 8-bit registers are A, B, C, D, E, H and L, while SP, PC, incrementer, decrementer, these are 16-bit. 9th is it contains flag register or status register of 8-bit. We learned last time significance of flag register. Also we learned interpretation. If some content is there in flag, how the status of the result will be there, about the sign, carry, parity, etc. we learned in the last lectures. So this flag register is in 8085 is of 8-bit wide. Next, number 10. Tenth is about 256 number of ports. Means outside system can be interfaced to the microcomputer where 8085 MUPI is there. So that 8085 MUPI supports 256 number of ports, and these port addresses are addresses of ports 00H, that means that number is in hexadecimal, to FFH. These number of ports, and these are the port addresses 00, then 01, then 02, 09 के बाद 0A, 0B like that. And these are nothing but till FF port addresses are available. 11, we'll see this last one. It requires plus 5 volt regulated DC power supply. It requires plus 5 volt regulated DC power supply and some frequency is required, that is about near about 3 megahertz frequency is required to synchronize the timings of instructions. So any simple, you have to prepare 8 features from these 11 to get 4 marks, or tell me the question to write 6 features out of these 11 to get 3 marks. That's it. Thank you, students.